In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a sales report in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a financial manager, understanding your daily sales is essential. Let's break it down into simple steps. First things first, you need to open your internet browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome. Now, head over to the web address quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. This login process ensures that all your personal data is securely stored and accessible. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the QuickBooks dashboard. On the left sidebar, you should see a variety of options. Here, you'll want to click on the one that says Reports. This is where you'll find an extensive collection of reporting tools. Once you're on the Reports page, find the search bar located at the top. In this search bar, type in Sales by Date or Sales by Day. This will help you filter through the available reports quickly. After the search results appear, look for the Sales by Date report. Click on it to open the report template. This will direct you to the report's main page where you can start customizing the data you wish to analyze. Now, let's focus on setting the date range for your report. This is crucial as it determines what information you'll see. At the top right of the report page, you'll find an option labeled Report Period. Here you can set the period to a specific day or a series of days that you want to analyze. If you're interested in reviewing daily sales, set it to 1 day or a few consecutive days to get a clear view of your daily sales totals. Next, you might want to customize your report further, which is entirely optional but can be incredibly helpful. To do this, click on the Customize button. This feature allows you to filter your data by customer, product, or sales type depending on your specific needs. You can also choose to group sales data by day, which gives a clearer picture of daily trends. Once this customization is complete, your report will display total sales amounts broken down for each day included in your date range. You'll find these figures in the total column, which provides a straightforward view of your daily sales performance. Finally, once you've reviewed the report, you might want to export or print it for your records. QuickBooks makes this easy with an export button, allowing you to download the report in Excel or PDF formats. Alternatively, you can click Print to get a hard copy, and there you have it, a detailed walkthrough of how to generate a sales report in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your QuickBooks experience.